Sandugo versus CVRS at 4 and 6 p.m. It's FEU versus the Philippine Army. And again, balik na po tayo sa pagpili ng ating Shakey's face of the game. And she is Jane Salit. She's 20 years old from Balintawak, Quezon City. Our Shakey's face of the game, and she gets a Shakey's GC for being here watching the games and being chosen as our Shakey's face of the game. Congratulations, Jane Galit from Balintawak, Quezon City. Nanood ka na, nag-enjoy ka na, meron ka pang GC pambili ng Shakey's Pizza. Paano naman kami?
Oo nga eh. Nakita na nga ako eh. Parang malilibre daw si Doc Ian ng merienda.
Of course. Tara na.
Shakey's Pizza.
Anytime. Si Barry pa. Siyempre. Basta sinabi ni Barry, diretso tayo sa Shakey's. 17-7. Ooh! Jack Alarca. I guess you could give that to her after serving 5 or 6 times. And she gets that service error. Shakey's, if it's fun, family pizza, it's gotta be Shakey's.
It seems like the set is getting tougher and tougher here for the Philippine Navy. Habang nakaka-warm up itong Philippine Army.
Wow. Rachel made it look so easy.
Tipping the ball over.
Yeah, but she really had to avoid the block and just enough strength to land it in the front row where there were no defenders for the Philippine Navy.
She wasn't even in the right position.
Yeah.
Nakikita mo, right foot forward,
exactly.
Pero right hand yung nag-tip ng ball.
This one is too strong from Rachel. 18-8. 10-point lead. 18-9, I'm sorry. From the back row. Oh! Mayet gives out a free ball for the Navy. Una grabs that opportunity as that ball was overset by Mylene Mirabueno.
Ratay now coming in. Ito parang pag may substitution ka na makikita sa Philippine Army, yung pinapalitan at yung pumapalit.
Ganon din eh.
Ganon pa rin, same level.
One of our very best, a former member of the national team.
A graduate of FEU.
Yes, just like Tina Sala.
Yes. Joad Bunag as well was a graduate of FEU.
And Arasan is taken out, and Suson brought in by Coach Nene Ibanez. Another poor... Oh, good save. Let's see if they... Oh, ano ba ginagawa kasi ni referee Jess Villarreal to? Nakaharang siya.
Alis referee. Hindi daw makuha nung
nung player.
More substitution.
Yes, Deposoy coming in for Daphne. And we've got 2 new players for the Philippine Navy. Irata.
Not enough power from the contact pa lang sa bola.
Parang kahit anong pilit mo, hindi aabot.
Iaabot.
Service error there from Urs. 21-10. Let's see if they save it. No, service ace this time for the Navy. Mirabueno.
They will be needing more of that. At least not to lessen the lead of the Philippine Army.
Nice play. Arciraray with a good set to Mayet Carolino.
More substitutions. Yonko coming in.
Let's see this previous play. Mayet goes in for the quick, and Irata with a perfect set. The blockers of the Navy really late to even get a touch on that block. Good play there from the Pusoy Gretel. 22-12. Still a 10-point cushion for the Philippine Army. Prochina with a floater. Urs to Mayet, penetrating the block of Rosale and De Posoy. Nene Ibanez, Coach Nene Ibanez calls her final timeout of the second set. Let's listen in.
Kapitan pa natin yan ha. Layo pa yan. Ha? Isa maganda receive. Paganahin natin yung receive. Yung fighter natin. Kagana din yan. Ha? Ito pa ang gawan sa receive. Ano din na yun? Michael, pag napicture na Michael, ang dadwag na niya sa katabi. Dahil, pero kung kaya mo, kunin mo na dahil ha. Michael na para iilok na sila. Okay? Ganun pa, ganun pa.
Alright, sabi ni Coach Nene, malayo pa yan. Pwede pang habulin. 23-12. They have to start with a good reception. Let's see Kite with that top spin, getting that point.
Sometimes kailangan gulatan lang din itong depensa ng Philippine Army, ano? If most of the balls coming from the Philippine Navy nga naman, puro palo. Kailangan paminsan-minsan yung mga gano'n yung ginagawa ni Kite na off-speed shot.
Wow, Yonko. Yes, that gets her first point of the match. I really don't know where she played before, and will you have an idea? We'll probably ask Rina to check on her later. A very tall player, middle blocker for the Philippine Army. This time they go to Rachel. De Posoy with a dump. Great court recognition by the veteran De Posoy. 14 serving 24.
Oh, look at that hit.
Free ball. They go to Rachel. That is too short from Urs. Another free ball. Let's see what they do. Yonko gets blocked, but it goes straight to the outside off the block. Yonko doing the damage here at the end of the second set, finishing off the Philippine Navy 25-14.
As we take a look at our Shakey's shake and play, giving the Philippine Army the win here in the second set.
Yun. Final point of the set off the block. Identical scores, folks. 25-14 in the second. One more set coming up after the short break.